Okay guys, so here I'm replacing the PCV valve on Tribeca 2011. This is a new one. It's rattling and articulating fine inside. And this is the old one. And it's almost not moving inside. It's still working, but kind of not that good. So in order to get it out, I remove the battery. And you can find it here in this place. It's the driver's side next to the battery. And people suggest, if the hose is stiff, and it's exactly the case, it's very hard, I cannot even bend it here, you need to replace it, because it will give up at one day when you are not expecting. So I already put the hose, which you see very flexible, and this hose has on both ends that clamp ring here. So I will put a new one, and to remove or put a new one I used 3/4 deep socket extension, 1.5 reach. I guess we need to put this to 20 feet LBS. So okay, so it's 20. Okay, putting back that hose,